Alright, got one of these Chinese excavators with a quick hitch, and these come with a lot of play side to side. As you can see, there's a shiny shim right there and right there. And I got these from Tractor Supply. I forget what the measurements are. Inside, a little over 25.5. Outside, 37. They fit good enough, and obviously good enough for shims. And the thickness is about 2, I'd say. Yeah. But it's absolutely perfect. One of them, you get one started, the other one you kind of have to tap in place with like a little punch to center it from the hole. But it is nice and tight.